Alrighty folks, so we're going to be talking about theoretical probability, 14E in our textbook, although I accidentally taught this mostly already in the 14A and 14B section. It is the number of members of the event E over the total number of possible outcomes, but we already talked about that. The only thing new that I do want to show you is the idea that there's the complementary of an event. One way that we write the notation of probability is the idea that we write it P of E, okay, the probability of some event, okay? Now, we can if we know the event is either going to happen or not happen, then we also have P of the complement of E. Okay, so that's the probability of the complement of E. And of course, if the event's either going to happen or not happen, then that means the probability of E plus the probability of the complement of E adds up to 1, right? If there's a 30% chance that something's going to happen, that means there's a 70% chance that it's not going to happen, because 30% plus 70% equals 100%, so it's definitely going to happen, right? So these have to add up to 1. This comes in handy because sometimes we want to know the probability of this, and it's easier to find out this and just subtract it from 1, or vice versa, all right? So I'm going to have you do one practice problem, without even me doing one beforehand, because I think you can handle it. We have this problem here. Go ahead and try this. Pause the video and try this problem. Okay, so you're back. So an animal is randomly selected. Let's see, we have 3 goats, 7 rabbits, 5 hissing cockroaches, and a T-Rex. So that's 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So the total number of animals is 16. Okay, so for A here, it's out of 16. How many of those animals are mammals? Well, we know that goats are mammals, we know that rabbits are mammals, so 3 plus 7, right? So that means it's 10 out of 16, and that is a fine answer. You could simplify that fraction. In IB Math Studies, you actually don't have to, but you could simplify that fraction to 5 over 8, right? Okay, and then B, what's the probability that it's neither a dinosaur nor a goat? So again, it's out of 16. How many are neither dinosaurs nor goats? Well, 3 of them are goats, and 1 is a T-Rex, which is a type of dinosaur. So 4 are these things. So it's the complement of this. So it's 16 minus 4. 16 minus the goats minus the T-Rex, right? So that's 12 out of 16, or 3/4 for B. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Doodles.